shoot people. It was hilarious. GIJimmy for when.
Now I'm going down, and I just wanna stay high.
I thought that said
Everybody connected?
Snowflake there.
Everybody connected? I got to get all the streams now. Hey, everybody. How y'all doing today?
Greetings, program.
Doing lovely. Is that a reference to Tron?
Absolutely.
Oh my god, I feel so old.
But it feels good, don't it? Right?
Join the club.
Just the fact that I referenced that, and, oh god, Tron.
The fact that you got it.
I know, right?
The young ones know a little bit about Tron. I mean, they did make a newish movie.
Yeah, that was garbage.
Well, I mean, it got the name Tron out there.
Yeah, and I enjoyed it for what it was. As a follow-on, it wasn't too great, but I enjoyed the film for a good film.
Right?
Sensors online.
Yeah, but it was like the new, like, what's that, Dune movie? The original was way so much better than the remake. I was like, oh god, it's terrible.
Alright then, boys and girls, let's have some fun. Try and hold your locks.
Yeah, call out your targets, please, and please make sure that even though you're not an LRM boat, please lock on to your targets and assist everybody else for locks.
Yep.
Ooh, Jimmy, liking the tusks. Have you gone like an orc or something there?
Hey, it looks like
A couple of funny guys.
we got that troll that likes to talk all kinds of shit.
Ah.
That's just weird. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that there's a brand new pack that came out in mechwarrior Online, and it guarantees 100% win each time. It's called communication.
Yep. That push to talk key works wonders.
So there's weirdos who are going to ask us if we're married, but it just means that we want to win.
50% heat on an alpha strike. Yikes.
I've got some rotation Echo 7 Fox 6.
Echo 7 some of it. So I highly suggest that everyone...
Yeah, I've got a lot of action over there.
Alright guys, this is an open map and do not push. Stand back and let them come down sometimes.
Make sure to keep an eye out for those damn...
All hands to battle
scouters,
stations.
stealthers.
Yep, and UAVs.
Enable voice control. All hands to battle stations.
And punish the mechs will have really bad ink jumps first.
7.
I got it.
Target spotted.
Alpha. First catch the dick.
7.
I do a lot more damage than you do, homie.
Two targets, Fox 6 on the hill.
Target spotted.
They got a Fafnir.
Uh-oh.
Got a hit on it.
Target spotted.
Damn, out of range.
Come on, get up the wall.
Target destroyed.
Crab down!
New target acquired.
Becky, give you a hand, man.
New target.
You guys okay back here? Watch that UAV above you. Got it, shot it down. I'm gonna intercept Golf 9.
New target acquired.
I took the back there solo.
Target him if you can.
Punish him.
Hunt him down.
Yeah, good time for NASCAR.
Target spotted.
Lock your targets, please.
If I could just land a fucking shot.
New target acquired.
There we go.
Camera.
That piranha just took a dual course to the back of the
Target
spine.
destroyed.
Oh, we're near the base. We might as well stop in for a beer.
Target acquired.
See, there should be no mixing.
And again, I get punished for trying to help teammates.
Sorry, can move.
Okay. Yeah. That really makes me want to operate
Both of the
as a
light
team.
ones are behind us
All units stand down.
near the base. One's a
All
fleet,
hands stand down.
and the other one's leg.
Base is being captured. Base is being captured.
G6, I think.
Affirmative.
I just walked through G6, nothing was there.
Enemy base is being captured. Base is being captured.
Well, that's where one of them is.
D, I guess.
Good game.
D5.
Enemy base is being captured.
Kind of hard looking at your mini map.
UAV activated. Target acquired.
Target spotted. Enemy base
Enemy
is
base
being
is being
captured.
captured.
I'm looking at the capture mini map. Okay, never mind.
Target acquired.
Enemy
Enemy
base
base
is
is
being
being
captured.
captured. Good game.
Well, that was disappointing in the end.
Yeah, it is what it is. I broke even, which is dumb, really.
I managed to take out a Fafnir on my own.
Oh, nice. Nice. Ooh, that's...
To the face. There's me shuffling left and right, clan version. So I'm like firing off like 3-4 shots every time I fire. Just that dunk, meaty hit.
Well, I'm about to... I need to buy a couple of mechs. Because I seen someone rocking something. I can't remember exactly what it was now because I've got to look at.
Stupid.
I think it was a Jaeger mech.
Don't know what it is. Every game I have to press shift and then shift tab before I start the match.
Oh, yeah, Ultra AC20s. That's what I want to rock.
Ultra AC20s. Wow. All right, here we go.
Online.
All right, boys
Hey,
and girls.
ping. Do me a favor and ping
Have fun.
Arbiter.
And if you can, hold G-locks.
All systems nominal.
Forgot to lock the twist again.
Command. Eliminate all enemies, no matter the cost.
Oh, I do just over 100. I'm an ECM sniper though.
We've got an advantage, but they've DC'd already.
Pop.
Target acquired.
Target
New
acquired.
target acquired.
Fuck.
New target acquired. New target acquired.
It appears they're coming around the left flank on Delta 3.
Artillery system.
One. They're all going long. Here's you a light mech. Switching to fine tune.
Target spotted.
Hey, Charlie's rotating around Charlie
New
5.
target acquired.
It is a locust.
Target spotted.
Oh, come on, really?
Online.
Took a fucking meeting, holy shit.
Spider running round us on
Ping beam,
F4.
good kill. Hey, that spider has no armor on its head.
Target acquired.
Oh, I didn't even fuck. I'm so sorry.
Nice kill,
Spider
Jimmy.
down, but we got 2 UAVs up over that Echo 4, Echo 3.
Target spotted.
One down, taking the other.
Target spotted.
Target acquired. New target acquired.
Damn it! Got stuck. Get out there.
Target spotted.
UAV activated. Left torso critical damage.
Nah, I gotta go right side now. I am stuck behind a little rock right now.
William incoming missile.
Watch
Yeah,
that,
you canyon.
that Atlas
New
just dropped
target
down.
acquired.
Incoming missile. New target.
Hey, we got another little locust popping around.
Target spotted.
Yeah, just marked him.
New target acquired.
That hit. Thank you.
Incoming missile. New target acquired.
Target destroyed.
Locust down.
We're experiencing some losses. Don't get sloppy out there.
Target
Alright,
acquired.
Mother, I'm right behind you.
Lima,
We're both
fire
stuck down
line.
here.
Target spotted.
Foxtrot, open CG.
Left torso destroyed. Golf ammo destroyed.
It put the smoke up high. They aren't gonna see this shit coming.
Destroyed.
Guys, make sure you're looking up.
Airplane destroyed. Golf ammo at 25%.
Artillery strike online.
Also, critical damage. Heat sink destroyed.
Baby.
Bravo, open CT.
They're stuck in a little ball right in the centre
Target
there.
spotted.
Artillery.
Oh yeah, something's getting pounded by those strikes.
Arm destroyed.
Well, I took 3 of them with me. Have fun.
Right arm critical damage.
Okay, that's starting to pee me off.
Destroyed.
Incoming missile. Right arm destroyed.
Artillery strike
Wounded
activated.
incoming missile.
We've lost half our force. We can't.
Okay, does anyone else see Armex just standing still?
Who?
Warning, incoming missile.
Like, clear for crisis, he's just stood there.
Warning, incoming missile.
Dick? I'm gonna go for a different angle. That's alright, I have 34 gauss shots left.
I'm really confused by that. I seem to have been targeted by everybody when there's other mechs in front of me.
Target destroyed.
Got him! Yes!
Nice.
And that was a joystick shot. I've been switching back and forth, but... Alright.
UAV activated. Target.
Wow, I sent that over somebody's shoulder.
Missile.
New target acquired. Left flag critical damage. Left flag destroyed. New target acquired.
How did that miss?
Did that bob thing.
Okay.
Target destroyed.
Oh!
Target acquired.
You only
Good
have
sentence
one
also. Oh, Hunchy's
It's
dead.
Just me. Fuck.
Left arm critical damage.
Oh, I ain't worried about my left fucking arm.
Batmaster right.
New target acquired.
UAV
Activated.
Right
Left arm critical damage.
Right
Right station critical damage.
Ah.
Destroyed.
Let him have me.
torso.
Control to surface. Can anyone read?
Yep. Did a lot of damage. I think I did anyway. I used a lot of ammo. Broke even with 439. 2 kills, 4 assists, 1 KMDD. How'd the team do?
God, I wish I could stick a gorse on a
Damn.
visor, though.
What? Somebody got 420. That pisses me off. I can never hit 420. I have special roles in my Discord for getting different damages and whatnot. 1K and above.
See, Lee Ray Jenkins.
Who?
There's a character called Lee Ray Jenkins,
Oh,
not
that's funny.
Leroy.
It's funny.
Alright, and I'm just, like I said, I'm just glad I got jump jets.
Yep.
Weapons online.
All right.
All systems.
These bits aspire at the same time. Shit. Man. Hey, wasn't the faction map?
Yeah, they changed. Yeah, they added this from the faction maps.
HOTAS.
But the level is absolutely enormous, like Polar Highlands big, with massive level differences.
Yeah, I see this. Damn, I should have brought the damn Gauss for this, man. A nice little. If I can make it to that. That's actually a tiny cliff.
Target
Target
spotted.
acquired.
Target acquired.
Oh, a bone to pick with an Ebon Jaguar.
At least providing a little.
Enemy base is being
Sorry, Henry.
But what?
I said sorry. I almost ran you over.
No, I mean the clipping on all of this placement of the grass. It's not even on the ground.
Enemy base is being captured. Target acquired. New target acquired.
Target spotted.
It's about to get wrecked.
New target acquired.
Target acquired.
Target spotted. Target spotted.
New target acquired.
Target spotted. Target spotted.
Nah, I got you. You didn't get me, but I got you. Yeah.
Got me?
No, one of the bad guys is using large pulses at me, and I hit him square in the face with the Gorse gun.
Oh, very nice. UAV just went up.
UAV directly above is Fox 5. You may take that out, please.
Acquired. Target destroyed.
Oh, Gorse shot back, baby.
Target spotted.
New target acquired.
Target acquired.
Target spotted.
You going after the hunchback?
Target spotted.
Yep.
Target acquired.
Cool.
Going after that hunchy.
New target
spotted.
New
acquired.
target acquired.
Target spotted.
Incoming hazard.
New target acquired.
Seriously, it's just so annoying. They barely peek their head over the top of her thing, and I take damage.
New target acquired.
You found that hunchy yet?
Nope. Gone. Find him.
Left torso critical damage. Warning incoming
Target
missile.
spotted.
He's goofy.
New target acquired.
I haven't got to do any damage.
Acquired.
New target acquired.
I've done barely anything.
Know the map at all.
Target destroyed. Target acquired. New target acquired.
Target spotted.
Target acquired.
Critical damage.
New target base is being captured.
Is being captured.
I mean, 7 of them are dead, and I haven't even really seen anybody yet. There's a sucker. I can get to him.
New target acquired. Target destroyed.
Finally.
Like
got
I said,
the-
horrible map.
Engage. Base is being captured.
Is being captured.
Fuel at 25%. Fuel at 0%.
Enemy base is being captured.
Base is being
Base
captured.
is being
What
captured.
to do?
Base 25% captured.
Fuel at 25%.
Enemy base is
Enemy
being
base is
captured.
being captured. Base is being captured.
Base is being captured.
Oh my lord. How often are you gonna say base is being captured?
Enemy base is
Enemy
being
base
captured.
is being captured. Base is being
Fuel
captured.
at 25%. Base is being captured.
It looks like we're going to lose this.
I'm tired.
Enemy base is
Enemy
being
base is
captured.
being captured.
I'm not even gonna say GG about this stupidity. Yeah, oh. 20 damage.
Yep. I got 128 damage from me, and I was using a Gauss rifle.
Hi, PGI. This is a public service announcement. Please
Remove
fire
Hellball.
whoever is just copy pasting these maps, because it's bad.